I'm Linda. Welcome to Cooking with Linda. Today we are going to cook some curry chicken and potatoes with white rice. So let me tell you a little bit about me. I'm married with 3 children, 2 boys, 1 girl. My daughter, she loves curry. Love. So that's why this is one of my first and favorite dish. I'm from Trinidad and we love cooking. So anything you want me to cook, just ask me. So today we are preparing to cook some simple curry chicken and potatoes with white rice. So this is just a pot of water for the rice. And here I have a pot getting ready to make the curry. So what we're going to do now is turn on the stove, get the pot hot for the curry, get it hot, nice and hot. Then we're going to add the oil when it's hot. We'll add the curry and the chicken. Sometimes when it gets too hot, we need to have a little cold drink. So we'll just have a little bit, just to keep us going. A little bit of Hennessy, okay? Alrighty. So now the pot is hot. I'm going to add the oil. Alright, so the pot is hot. So I'm going to add my curry, and I also have a little bit of spices, the turmeric powder. I'll add a little bit for flavor. Also, I'll add a little bit of roasted jeera so we can get a little more flavor. And what we do now is put enough curry to taste. Make sure you have enough curry. If the curry gets hot in the oil, add a little bit of turmeric and a little bit of roasted jeera. Okay. Then we stir. Make sure the curry's cooked. And now we add the chicken. Stir the chicken. Get it nice and curry. And I will add to the curry my onions, my scallions, my red peppers, tomatoes, my pumpkin, and my jalapeno pepper. And you keep stirring. Make sure it doesn't get burned. So you keep stirring, let the curry fry with the vegetables. So you stir from the bottom to the top, to the bottom to the top. And make sure you use a wooden spoon if you're using a pot like I'm using here. So you don't scratch it from bottoms up, bottoms up. Make sure you get nice and colored and you let it fry. Give it about a minute. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes. So we will stir again. Stir. You can use any part of the chicken to curry. Any part of it, like the breast or the leg. Usually I will use the whole chicken, but you can use whatever part of the chicken you want. It all works. So this is nice and fried. It's gonna fry pretty good. Get all the onions and tomatoes and everything fried really nice. And once we get it good, nice and halfway cooked, then we're going to add the potatoes. The potatoes cook quickly, so we don't want to add it too quickly. So we'll wait for the potatoes to be almost done. What I have here is the water for the rice. The water is just about ready for the rice. You boil the water. You can use a rice of your choice. I use Uncle Ben's. It was just the one at hand, but we'll use Uncle Ben's today. Okay, let the rice boil. And when the rice is tender, to your likeness, once again, you strain it. And it's ready to eat. Here I'm adding a little bit of golden ray butter. It's one of our flavors from Trinidad that we add to the end of our cooking to give it a taste. This is golden ray. So let's check the rice to see how the rice is going. The rice is boiling, the plate is getting there. Almost ready to strain. Let's test the rice. So it's a little hard. Give it about 3 more minutes. And the curry looks good. So as you notice, I didn't put no water in the curry. I just let the oil and the tomatoes and onions and peppers, they all just cooked nice down to the gravy. So now we're going to add the potatoes. So we'll add the potatoes to the curry now. Oh, we will. So then we're going to add about 2 or 3 cups of water so we can cook the potatoes and then bring it down to gravy. So let the potato fry a little bit. We'll give it a couple minutes for the potatoes to cook. Alright? We'll get ready to strain the rice. The rice is ready, so we're going to strain the rice. Add a little bit of cold water. I like my rice nice and grainy. So the rice is cooked. I'm going to just put it back on the stove so it can drain a little bit and dry it out. So it don't have water soaking. The stove is off and just sit there to dry. Nice and low. So now we're going to add a little bit of water. Here I have my water pot, and I like to use the hot water, so I use the water. And we'll add a little bit of water so we can get gravy for this. You add accordingly. You just add probably a couple, about 2 cups of water. And stir it. Stir it, see? Just enough so you can cook the potatoes. I have the golden red butter, so I add a little bit for flavoring, just a little. So this is a little bit of golden red, just for flavor. Also, sometimes if you want to add a little bit of coconut cream or coconut milk, you can do that too. That brings in a little flavor. But today we're just using the golden red. So we're gonna let this simmer down and come down to gravy. So by then, the potato and the chicken will be cooked. The pot let it simmer for about 15 more minutes. We should be good to go. Alright, go ahead. So now the curry is finished. We have the potato and the curry. It's done. It's coming to nice thick gravy. Alright, so now we have finished cooking the curry potato, chicken, the curry chicken and potatoes with white rice. So now we're about to sample it, so my son is going to sample with me. Let's see how it is. Let's go, buddy. Yummy. How is it time?
It's good.
It's good. Thank you, babe. This is good. So if you need me to cook anything at all, just ask Linda. You can also subscribe to my channel and request whatever you need to be cooked. Linda will cook it for you. Thank you. So now we have finished the white rice and curry potatoes, curry chicken and potatoes. It's now ready to sample. Here is my son is going to sample with me.
Oh, try again? Do that all one more time because you were struggling. Do it one more time. Yeah. Alright, say it.
Need me to cook something, anything, just subscribe to my channel.
Wait.
I know what channel it is. If you need me to cook anything, you can sample. Anything you want me to cook, you can sample. You can subscribe to my channel.
No, wait, because Jabari dropped his fork.
Oh my God.
He's like, start from try it. Start from try it.
She said you can sample.
Okay, Joy.
Thank you. Enjoy.